Why do 60% of roofs fail during hurricanes? Because they weren't inspected in time. That roof over your head? It's about to face its toughest test. Don't gamble with loose shingles or hidden damage. A proper inspection by our specialists can save you a fortune and a whole lot of heartache. Later, we see what others miss. We fix it right. Imagine this. Storm winds howling, rain lashing, debris flying. Your roof is your home's first guardian. An inspection now ensures it stands strong when the winds roar. Call us today at 407-214-7430. That's 407-214-7430. Don't wait. Protect what matters most. Inspect and protect with our experts.